dead birds. Hey man, what you doing?
Well, I'm kinda really bored.
Oh, well that's sad. What can we do to cheer you up?
I wish something awesome would happen though. Now that's awesome.
But I think he's dead.
So what? Now we get to munch on his face.
But he has a unibrow.
Yeah, but
That'll make it all chewy. Nice and chewy.
what?
Put a tree on his face.
I guess you're right. Raw face is disgusting.
I wonder if we could cook it.
Burn the tree and cook his face.
What's wrong with you? That's just disgusting. I don't want to eat his face. I'm calling the police.
Well, I wouldn't do that if I were you.
What's wrong with you?
Well, I shoot and eat birds.
I'm calling the police.
Told you I'd shoot.
You can't break here!
What? Who are you people?
Where's the police?
Oh, what the? I didn't do this.
You did it! Take him out! Who feels like pizza? Now a word from our animator.
Hello, as you probably guessed, I am the author. And yes, I don't have any arms or a mouth, but I still am an author. Thank you for watching this video, and I will make more soon. So please just, keep informed and maybe subscribe. Bye.